Hi guys, welcome back to Kunaki's channel. If you're new, you're welcome. If you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for always tuning in. Today I'm going to take you along another vlog of my decorations. So I did these decorations and this was the inspired picture that I used. So this is the area that we are going to decorate, and the day before, like the night before, these are the balloons I'm going to use. So the night before I prepare everything in advance, and I kind of like, these are the balloons I'm going to use. I'm going to use the fun child, the coral, and the peach. This is the colors that my client wanted. So the night before, I will blow all the balloons the night before, and as you can see, I'll just sit in a corner and I'll blow them and play along. My daughter will be along playing around. So the night before, you want to blow your balloons so that you're not rushing in the morning, because balloons really takes a long time. Believe it or not, it took me about 4 hours trying to blow these balloons and get them together. But I love what I do, so I did mine. So the night before, I sit down, take my time, blow them and put them all together. So I also blow like the very large balloons, as you can see in the picture, because the client, from the picture that the client sent to me, she wanted something with smaller balloons and larger balloons. So what I used was, I used a peach, a light pink, and a fun child color, which was the color she sent me, and I blew them the night before. And I used the 5-inch balloons. I also used the 12-inch balloons, and the large ones are the 36-inch balloons. So as you can see, I'm just I finished blowing them, and I use about, I would say, 50 balloons for each color, at least 50 balloons for each color. So right now I just put them like in foil, and then I'm going to go ahead and put them together. These are the 5-inch balloons. I make sure that I blew 5-inch balloons for each of them, and I use 50 of the, I blew like 50 of the 5-inch balloons. So for each color, it's a total of 100 balloons for each color, together with the large ones. For the large ones, I just kind of did like 2 each. I'll have them all put together. As you can see, I brought them together. If you haven't seen my other videos how I put this together, you can as well check my other videos, and you're going to see how to put this together. You can either use a fish line to do this, or you can use 2/16 balloons to do this. This is the area that we are going to decorate today, guys, and this is how it looks like before. And we just arrived at the area, and we are going to go ahead and place all the tables. But before, I wanted to show you guys how the place look like before we transform the area. This is how it looks like. It's like an outdoor party due to all what's going on. I have my beautiful nice friends helping me unpack some of the chairs and tables, and yes, we brought everything together. And I also do like renters, so the client also rented the chairs and tables from me. So we just brought everything together, and my beautiful assistants slash very nice friends were helping me to set up the area. And this is like I would say like a playground or like a garden in an apartment complex. And this is the outdoor was the best thing to do at this time. So right now we set up everything, and we put about, I think, 6-7 tables and chairs, and we try to like keep them apart due to all what's going on. And we also had like kids table and chairs. The client also wanted like 2 kids table and chairs, so we have that set up. And they're also going to be having like barbecue at that end. And then the party is gonna start. I would say we came in the morning to start decorating, and the party was going to be like in the evening. And right now we just finished setting up just the chairs, and my assistants are doing a very great job. This job is very hard, so you're gonna always need many people to help you, as much people as you can get, 2 to 3 or 4 people at least. So now we are just going to go ahead, and this is me. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to put the tablecloths, and my able assistants are going to help me do that. So right now we're going to put the tablecloths. My client wanted white tablecloths, so we're going to do white tablecloths. And like I said, like 2 weeks before, I had everything prepared, ironed all the tablecloths at home and put them in containers ready to go. Decorating really does take a lot of time, and you have to be like on the go. You have to be very patient, and you know, somebody who is very organized too, to be able to organize like a party. You have to like prepare everything like 2 months before. And yes, guys, we always have fun while we decorate. Yes, when I do something that I love, you can see me shaking.
I'll try not to put your face. I'm just taking.
Okay.
Hey, book us. There you go. Oh my gosh, you guys are so funny. Book us. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys are so funny.
Yes, guys, we always have fun when we decorate, and right now we are just going ahead and putting the plates and also putting the centerpieces, the flower centerpieces. And because it was a very windy day, the wind kept pushing down the flowers, and so we added like water in the vases just to keep it steady, but still the winds just kept pulling down the flowers. So if you're doing an outdoor event, take note that the weather might not permit. Like this day, it was a beautiful day, but it kept raining on and off, and the wind too was really high, so it kept pushing down the vases. But everything came along well at the end. As you can see, we finished putting the plates and the centerpieces and the chairs, the tablecloth, and everything has come together. I still have to mount the backdrop for the cake where the baby is going to cut her cake. This was for a 1-year-old, I forgot to mention. And these are the cake stands that we are going to be using. And I'm going to go ahead and mount the backdrop later. But this is how the finished look for where the guests are going to sit. And it's going to have like a barbecue and some more food and drinks. So turning on the other side, this is how it looks like right now. And all I have to do right now is just go ahead and mount the balloons. That's the only thing left. But so far, everything came out looking cute and clean, and the green grass just make everything pop. This is the kids area, and in the kids area, she wanted like a Mickey Mouse character, so the client got some cups and plates for the kids to at least have fun. And they also have like their gift bags, so they're gonna have like a few kids just because of what's going on, not too many kids. So they're gonna sit right here. As you can see, everybody has their cup, their plate, and their hat and their gift to go. I kind of use like a gold foil around the table. This is just like gold. I think I got that from Walmart. Yes, I got that from Walmart, the foil plate. And then I also do like rentals, so I rent the kids chairs and the adults chairs. So my client, she just booked me, and she wanted the chairs, the tables, and the decoration. So I went ahead and did all of this together, and it came out looking nice. The kids area looks cute, and the gold make it pop. And as you can see, everything is coming along. The only thing left is for me to mount this backdrop where she's gonna cut her cake. So keep watching. I'm going to go ahead and mount this backdrop. I usually use zip ties to like hang the poles on the backdrop, and when I finish putting the zip ties at the back of the backdrop, I'm going to mount it. Like you see, I use zip ties and it looks nice. But because it was a windy day, guys, this kept falling down. I kid you not. My poles have very heavy stands, but it kept falling down. So I had to even tie it on the tree before it stood like this. Yeah, it took me some time and some work, but we finally got it together. I'm glad it stood up because that really broke my heart when it kept falling down. But I learned from this, so if I'm doing an outdoor, I know I have to like look for somewhere to stabilize the backdrop. Right now, I went ahead and attached the balloons. I brought them in the black plastic bags, and right now I'm just adding the 5-inch balloons to make them pop. And I'm also going to go ahead and add the baby's name on the backdrop. So I use the Go. As you can see, this backdrop, I used the light pink like I said before, the peach, and the fungi. That was the color that my client was wanted. So I went with her with the picture that she was inspired with, and everything turned out nice. Everybody was happy. I got so many comments and likes from this backdrop, and it turned out really good. Like, it really turned out good. I used all of the balloons. If not, I used all of the balloons. Like, this is probably about, I would say, about 300 balloons. Yes, this is like 300 balloons all together, and everything turned out nice. And thank God there was a tree, and I had to tie the backdrop on the tree. If not, it would have been falling and falling. And so this is how the whole party looks like. I ended up taking out the vases because it kept falling down because of the wind. But this area looks so cute. As you can see, the baby's name is right there, and it just looks cute. The green grass just make everything pop, like the outdoor, the green grass, and the weather, everything just pop, and it made these balloons look extra nice and beautiful. And yes guys, so I'm going to just go ahead and we're going to add some cupcakes on the cake, on the these white cake stands. As you can see, I went ahead and added the cake, and we're just waiting for the baby's cake to come, but we added the cupcakes. As you can see, I added some flowers just to make it look nice, and what's left is just to put the baby's cake. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, guys. If you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, because I'm going to be doing a lot of vlogs, a lot of decoration vlogs. So for more decoration vlogs, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and make sure you like and comment down below which part was your favorite part on this video, on this vlog. What did you like most? Please leave a comment down below and leave a thumbs up. And until next time, guys, I will be doing vlogs every week like I said. And yes guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being a loyal subscriber. Thank you for always tuning in. And yes guys, it was a beautiful day, and it was a successful day. Yes, it was a tiring day, but everything came out nice, and I love what I do. And until next time, guys, bye.